we see on this passage of paragraph that now Ben-Hadad he sent a message to the king of Israel. He said, what you have achieved, your gold, your silver, your wives, even your children, are mine.
Sure.
It was a letter that was sent to the king of Israel. Ben-Hadad demanded all what the king of Israel has achieved in his life. He demanded the children, he demanded the money, he demanded the gold, he demanded even the wives. But now he wanted to enter even beyond to the temple. He said, even what is in the temple is mine. But we see the king of Israel now, he said, I have agreed to give you my money, my silver, my children, and my wives. But now what you want now, it belongs to God. You cannot touch it. Oh, child of God. After you have achieved